Hey guys, how you doing there? Recently, I'm really want to make a nice tumbler with my own design, but I don't want to buy a mug press because it takes too much spaces. So I searched the internet and find another solutions, and I just can't wait to share with you guys. First, let's take a look at the tools we need. A sublimation ink from Sub, a sublimation ink printer, and a sublimation paper from Sub, a tumbler, and sublimation shrink wrap sleeves, and a oven we're gonna use later. So let's get started. This time we use the Sub sublimation paper 105 grams, thin and not jam at all. I will show later. Remember to put the paper straight and flat, no corner bent or it could jam the printer. Continuous printing is extremely smooth, no jams, and the colors are vivid. Then cut out the image we need. Stick the paper to the mug, cover the area where you want to transfer with the image, and tape it with a heat-resistant tape. Remember, the tumbler lid cannot be put into the oven. Cover the wrap sleeves onto the mug. Mine is longer, so I need to wrap it more. If yours is just the right one, you can fit it directly. Okay, so now we have to heat up and tighten the wrap sleeves using the heat gun. The heat and wrap will do the job to make the transfer process work. Try not to get too close to it or it will make a hole and break down. Next, all we need to do is to microwave it with the gloves. Remember to set the time to the 400 Fahrenheit or 205 Celsius. Let's set a countdown to 5 minutes.
5 minutes later.
Now it's 5 minutes. We can take out the mug. After it cools down, you can cut the wrap sleeves. Now it's done.